Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Do you have a hard time getting comfortable and getting any sleep while you're traveling? I recently was on an airplane and stuck in an airport for a long time, and I was able to fall asleep in both places thanks to this amazing travel pillow by BlueHills. But wait, it's not just a pillow. If you unzip it, there is a blanket inside. So you have either, and they're both great. You would think a folded up blanket inside would not be that comfortable, but this thing is so comfortable. I was so impressed. I've used other neck pillows and I always found them awkward, but this thing I had no problem getting comfortable on the airplane. I really appreciate how it has different ways you can carry it, whether you need to put it on your suitcase, there's the back strap for that, or there's a nice little clip that you can hang it from that as well. The material is super soft and the blanket is the perfect size. It's not so huge where you feel like you're lugging around your entire bedroom, but it definitely is enough to keep you warm and comfortable while you are traveling. I have to say, after flying, this was definitely one of my favorite things that I had with me. I used it a ton. If you are traveling, whether you're flying or you're driving, this thing is a must-have. It will help you get a little bit of rest and be comfortable on those long trips that you have. And that is my point of view.